In this video, I'm reviewing the ToneLib GFX Guitar Amp Sim. Welcome to Simple Green Tech. I'm Zane, and on this channel I do weekly audio tech tips, tutorials, and reviews to help you unleash your creativity. Now, if you want to find out more information on the ToneLib GFX Guitar Amp Sim, I included links in the description below, but right now I just want to jump in and check out some of the patches right away. If you're enjoying this video and getting some value out of it, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help the channel, and I appreciate it so much. Now let's jump back into the software. ToneLib GFX is a very affordable guitar amp and effects modeling software. At the time of recording this, it's going for about $40. ToneLib GFX tries to accurately recreate vintage and modern amps, cabinets, microphones, and effects, as we've seen in the demos so far. Also, you can even use your third-party impulse responses, so you're not just locked into the options that they provide you. The ToneLib GFX plugin is compatible with all of the popular DAWs and probably the not so popular ones too. It offers you powerful 64-bit performance on AU, VST, and VST3 platforms. Be sure to let me know your thoughts on ToneLib GFX, but let's jump back in and test out some more of these sounds. Click up here to see my guitar recording playlist, or click down here to see what YouTube thinks you should watch next. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more videos from me. Thank you so much for watching. For Simple Green Tech, I'm Zane, and keep creating.